Welcome. This is Matt, and I'm going to take you through an introduction to Relay. What you can see on my screen here is the homepage to Relay, and this video will actually be the first video listed there in the top left. What Relay is, it's an application that you can access in your web browser that allows you to make forensic requests to digital forensic labs that you work with that happen to use another piece of software called Monolith. And in this video, I'm just going to walk you through give you a quick orientation of what Relay looks like and how to navigate through the different parts of the application. So right now we're on the home screen. We have a sidebar here. Right now it's collapsed. We can expand this to see the full list of sections in the sidebar. I can also collapse it, and if I hover over these different icons here, we'll have a popover that gives us those additional options that we can select. And what these options here are, I've got DF and MF. These represent the different forensic teams that you can work with and submit requests to. So you may work for organization ABC, and we have organizations DF and MF here that represent two forensic labs or forensic teams that we work with, that we send digital evidence to for processing. So depending on who you are, you may have access to the services of two different labs. And from here, we can navigate the options for each lab to decide who we want to submit a request to. So if we have some evidence like a smartphone and we want to submit a new request, we can navigate to the submit a request option. And from here, we can click Create New Request to start the request process to submit new evidence. If we want to review past requests that we've already made, we can go to the My Request section. And this is where we can view and access and find previous requests that we've already submitted and look at the status of those requests, edit them, and just generally keep track of them. We also have a section called Case Drives, where in Case Drives, this is where data can be shared with you via Relay from the forensic team that you're working with. It's very convenient. At the bottom of the sidebar here, we also have a little icon avatar that represents your user profile. If you click on this, there is a logout button. So if you'd like to log out of Relay, you can just click this. And if you want to access your profile, you can select your profile. And from here, you can make changes to the details of your account. This way you can then update your details or change them, whatever makes sense for you to do that. So lastly, we also have, if you need support, if you need help with Relay, we have a contact support button here. And what this does is if you click this just opens up an email directly to the support team at Relay so that you can request assistance. We also have a release notes button here that just gives you some information on updates to Relay, any changes, any new features, things like that you can review from time to time. And you can flip between versions just to see what's changed over time. And that is an introduction to Relay. Thank you.